Boom!
So say hi, Paxton.
Hi!
Paxton and I are gonna build, what are we doing right now?
Setting up our computer and desk.
That's right. So we're gonna go set up our computer and desk for our new YouTube channel, right?
Yes!
And we're gonna make some videos. So you wanna hold the camera?
So.
All right, so just, you can look at what you're pointing at. Yep, walk around, show it. All right. So then, yeah, this is all our new stuff, right? All right, so let me grab the knife and we'll start opening these boxes.
Little bit, so then.
Paxton, what's in this one?
Let me just stab it.
Okay, next we're gonna open the. Where's your knife? You wanna open that one?
So.
There's a mouse. We're gonna build the desk first. Yeah, the desk's in the big box. All right, did you get it open?
Yep.
What is it? That's our sweet power strip, right? It's got USB, and I got this special because it's got these. It's got the USB on the end, so we can hook our cameras and stuff in.
So do you want to put it down since it's a tripod right now?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Is it camera in?
Yep.
All right, so. Yeah. Well, we've made a mess. On there, Karate Kid. Ready? Oh yeah! Karate chop! Oh yeah! Oh, you're so strong. So strong. Oh! Okay, one more karate chop. Ready? Yeah! Oh, I hope I didn't break the camera there. Oh, there you go. That's way to use your head. Here, let's throw all the trash in the box now. It's a dust buster. Probably, do we need to get some tools? But I got, oh, you haven't seen my new tools. Let's go look at my new tools.
Oh. I didn't know you buy them.
They're in this other closet, this way. It's on wheels, so I can wheel it around.
Yeah, that's
I have a little Allen wrench head in there, right? Oh, we'll just break the whole thing. This is our other new socket set for fixing the lawnmower.
Oh.
And come on. We gotta go get our drill, right? That we can turn into an Allen wrench. Whoops. Here, you wanna hold the drill?
Sure. This guy is nice.
Okay, buddy. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Okay, first we need those parts. Nope. Nope. Yep. Here's another piece of trash. Oh, you know what? Mike's got a chair for us too next door.
Oh.
We gotta go get that chair from Mike too. You ready? You wanna pull that plastic off?
Okay.
There we go. All right. Okay, we gotta put in dowels. Right? Good, okay.
So the Allen wrench in there.
We don't need the Allen wrench. We'll never need the Allen wrench. First, we gotta put in, oh no, I just ripped this all open. Okay, we can't lose any of these parts.
Okay.
Boy, they didn't make that. That's stupid. They made it stupid like that, so it just... Okay, so just leave that here. Don't touch any of that, okay? We'll figure it out, though. We're smart guys. So, you wanna go grab a...
Hammer.
Out of the toolbox, Paxton?
So.
All right, Paxton, go get a hammer. Without falling.
Okay. couldn't find the hammer, Dada.
That's okay, we probably don't need one. You want to stick these in?
So.
Good job.
Cool, then, Dada.
Sure is. Smile! Ding! Yeah. You see?
Everything just spilled out, Dada.
Well, that'll happen. That'll happen when you open the box like we opened it. Slide that end over.
The styrofoam is so hard to clean up.
Okay, you want to push it in? Push! Heave! Okay, so now we need number 3s, which because this bag just shattered upon impact. Okay, now we need our Allen wrench parts, right?
Yep, so where's the socket kits?
Right here. So now this is gonna fit in a adapter, and this is gonna go on this.
Yep. Can I try?
Try, you're gonna do it. Now we're gonna bolt in one of these legs. Put that in. Okay, go ahead.
Is that good?
A little bit. There you go. Okay, go ahead.
That good?
A little bit more. That was a good job. Not as on as it's going. I think you did a good job on both these. I do. Yeah, you did. Great job. All right, you want to do this side then? So then we'll do the same thing over here. All right, go ahead. Pop her in. Just like you did on those. Perfect. Great job, man. Okay.
I just hold the adapter on.
Great job. Okay, you ready? You got your drill, buddy? See, you gotta let me put these in. Do the other one for me real quick.
Okay.
'Cause I found the thread on that. There you go. One more click. Perfect.
It's still recording.
No, it should be. It should be recording for a while there, mister. Okay, drill that one in. Nice and tight. Doing a great job, man. Okay, go ahead. It's hard to strip an Allen wrench. Great job. It really wants to stick in there, doesn't it?
I didn't think I'm magnetic.
Oh, they might be. Here, you want to find out? This is how you find out. Oh, not magnetic.
But I don't know why they want to stick.
So next we're gonna get these little things. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Good.
Yep.
Good.
Yep.
It's still.
Here. Oh.
Still cramming. Okay.
It's just because you're trying to pull it out at an angle. Okay. And we're gonna put.
These side ones, Dada?
I'm gonna put one of these in. One of these. Good job. Good job.
How easy are these sides to do?
They're pretty easy. Just pop them in. Yeah. Till you hear that. Perfect.
Good.
Perfect. You got it. All right, this one. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Great job, man.
Do we need an Allen wrench for those screws?
Sure do. Go ahead and screw that in. Okay, go ahead. Perfect. I gotta put both of them in, then you can mess with that side. You wanna do it? See, the good thing about using the drill is this is going to be way tighter than if we had to do it by hand. According to the directions. Okay. Ouch. Computer thing. Okay, so we can flip her over. Well, we're not done yet though, so don't get too excited. But yeah, you can do it. Okay.
Is that kind of heavy?
Yeah, all right, stay back, buddy. This is gonna... it's actually not too heavy at all. Boom. And then we're gonna plug our big plug in, right?
Yep. Done. Ta-da! Ta-da!
How you like that?
That looks good.
What do you think? What do you think, buddy?
Yeah.
Let's try it out. Give it a whirl. We pulled it all the way out. What? Okay. All right, let's take a step back and see how our... Oh, I think we forgot something. We still got an extra...
What?
We got a bunch of extra screws, too.
Oh!
Same length. Okay, so this is the big giant computer monitor.
So that's our monitor.
That's cool.
The monitor is complete. We just have to plug it in.
Watch. You see how I clicked it twice?
Yeah. Yep.
So Paxton, when I was your age, actually I wasn't your age, when I was younger, computers used to have 512 megabytes of RAM.
Wow.
That's not a lot. At the time, we used to think it was a lot.
But it wasn't.
This computer has 32 gigabytes of RAM.
Wow.
That's how big the hard drives used to be of the computers I built in high school.
Wow. That's crazy.
It is crazy. I know you don't necessarily know what that means, but it's insane.
Wow.
Believe me, that is insane.
Okay.
Pax the Million here, plugging in the
Power strip goes right here.
boom.
What?
Okay, so next we just need the keyboard and the mouse. But the mouse is USB, right? Okay. Oh, what do you think, bud?
Yep, that looks cool.
This monitor is huge, man. It's like a small TV. Okay, so
So how do we get the mouse to show?
well, I gotta do the setup now on this. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Let's you wanna pose with the new desk setup? How's that look? That looks pretty good, huh?
Yep.
So this is where Paxton and I will be making our new videos
Done.
in our video office.
Bye!
Say, if you like our videos, subscribe!
If you like our video, subscribe!